You think? They're a little spicy today for some reason. It could be the red on his hat, I ain't sure. Certain colors they don't like.
They're not bothering me none. They're going after you.
I think it's, I don't know if it's just red or black that I'm wearing.
It's an enclosed box.
I
thought we was going to get to look in it. Oh, we are going to get to look in it, ain't we? Uh-oh. I'm alright. I'm just not going to be afraid of them. Good God. That thing's packed full of bees. Oh, God.
You get them bees away from the queen right there?
Yeah.
And
And they what?
they're not near as aggressive.
Well, they got to protect her, you know. If you get near her, they're going to be aggressive. Listen to them. Like music. Sounds like band practice, honey. Oh. They're still coming after you, ain't they? I wonder why that is.
I don't know.
Oh. Yep, you sure are.
Before they get any iller than they already are.
Yeah. I can sense it.